Hi, welcome to Chemistry Online. See, up to previous class, we covered 30 marks syllabus. 30 marks syllabus. The first chapter is solid state, so that is nothing but 4 marks. And second chapter is solutions, that is nothing but 4 plus 2 marks. Third chapter chemical kinetics and electrochemistry, it is 8 plus 2 marks. Then fourth one surface chemistry, it is 4 marks. And fifth chapter metallurgy, it is 4 plus 2 marks. Total 30 marks. 30 marks finished out of 60 marks. 30 marks means 50% of the marks finished. Remaining 46 marks we have to cover. So if you perfect all these chapters, definitely you will get 50% of the marks. So everyone should concentrate all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 short answers covered, 1 long answer covered, 2 very shorts covered. 2 very shorts, 4 shorts, 1 long answer covered. So you have to concentrate up to this syllabus. Okay. So who are feeling very difficult to getting pass marks? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss P block. P block elements. It is a big chapter. P block elements. So in this chapter you will get 1 long answer, 1 short answer or 2 very shorts. So 8 plus 2 or 8 plus 2 plus 2 or 8 plus 4 or 4a plus 4b plus 4 marks. Okay, so this is the way you are going to get. It is a long answer. It is a long answer. It is a long answer. So in this chapter you have to read all shorts, very shorts, longs. Very important chapter it is. Okay. In P block total 6 groups are present. 3rd A, 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A, 8th A. 3rd A, 4th A we discussed in the first year. 3rd A, 4th A we discussed in the first year. In second year we are going to discuss remaining 4 groups, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. First in this P block we are going to discuss 15th group elements. 15th group elements. 15th group elements are 5th A group elements. 15th group elements are 5th A group elements. From this chapter 4 marks are 2 plus 2 you are going to get. 4 marks are 2 plus 2 you are going to get. So you have to know what are the atoms or elements present in 5th A group. Okay. See here. First of all you know serial number, name of atom, atomic number, electronic configuration, electronic configuration. Okay, see here, this is the table you have to know. So it is nothing but a atomic number. Serial number 1. Name of the atom is nitrogen. Its symbol is N. Atomic number is 7. Electronic configuration I am writing with condensed electronic configuration. Condensed electron configuration means by using inert gases. So helium, its atomic number is 2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So atomic number 7, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Then second one, phosphorus. Phosphorus, symbol P, atomic number 15. Neon, 3s2, 3p3. Its atomic number is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Then third one, arsenic. Arsenic, As, atomic number 33. Neon after that, argon. Argon. Okay. Then electrons enters into 3d10, 4s2, 4p3. Its atomic number is 18. 10, 28, 30, 33. Next fourth one, antimony. Antimony, Sb, atomic number 51. Argon after that, krypton, 36, 4d10, 5s2, 5p3. 5s2, 5p3. Okay. Five s 2 5p3. 36, 46, 48 plus 3, 51. Next fifth one, bismuth. Fifth one, bismuth. Okay. Atomic number 83. Writing condensed electronic configuration, xenon, 54. Electrons enters into 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. Okay. So this is electronic configuration of elements. Okay. So if you see 2s2, 2p3, 3s2, 3p3, 4s2, 4p3, 5s2, 5p3, 6s2, 6p3. That is, we may consider as a general electronic configuration of electronic configuration of configuration of fifth A is NS2 NP3. Okay, in S how many? 2 electrons. In P how many? 5 electrons. Okay, then we may write oxidation states. Oxidation states. Okay, first nitrogen is electronegative element, so try to gaining 3 electrons from outside for getting NS2 NP6. So gaining 3 electrons means minus 3 oxidation state is possible. After that losing 3 electrons plus 3 oxidation state is possible. After that losing 5 electrons, so plus 5 oxidation state is possible. So these are minus 3 plus 3 plus 5 oxidation states. Okay, so fifth A group elements are also called pnicogens. Why? Because these are suffocation elements. So on inhaling these elements we will get a suffocation, that's why these are called as pnicogens. P N I C O G E N S. Fifth A group elements are also called pnicogens. Pnicogens. Then here you have to know chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. See here, atomic size increases, ionization potential decreases, electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases. Next you have to know chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. So here, due to presence of unpaired electrons, these elements are more reactive. They can form oxides, halides, next hydrides, like that. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss. So first one is hydrides. First one is hydrides. All fifth A group elements can react with M plus H2 gives rise to MH3. Here M equal to nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. It can form hydrides like NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BiH3. Okay, ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine. Okay, so these are called hydrides. Hydrides. Then stability decreases from NH3 to BiH3. Thermal stability decreases. Okay, next reducing character increases. Reducing character increases. Reducing character increases. Thermal stability decreases. Okay, next, basic strength, basic character. Basic character decreases. Basic character decreases. Which is more basic? It is more basic. It is a less basic. Which is more stable? It is more stable. It is a less stable. Which is a more reducing character, reducing agent? Bismuthine. It is a less, because it is a increasing. So these are the, at the same time, oxidizing character, reducing character increases means oxidizing character decreases. All these are important for NEET. All these are important for NEET. This is for hydrides. Next, oxides. Next, oxides. Oxides. All fifth A group element can react with oxygen, can form M plus O2 gives rise to M2O3 and M2O5 type of oxides. Okay, M2O3 equal to trioxides, M2O5 equal to pentoxides. Okay, see here, pentoxides are more covalent than trioxides. Pentoxides are more covalent than trioxides. Okay, so pentoxides are more acidic. Pentoxides are more acidic than trioxides. Okay, pentoxides are more covalent and than trioxides. Okay, see here, trioxides of nitrogen and phosphorus means N2O3 comma P2O3 are acidic. Okay, then these two means AS2O3 sp2O3, AS2O3 comma sp2O3 are amphoteric. Next, this is basic. Bi2O3 is basic. Understand? So these are this information about oxides. This is about hydrates. Understand? This is chemical reactivity. All these are important for NEET. NEET. Okay, or mains. Okay, then this is information about hydrates. this is information about oxides. Oxides. This is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. This is oxidation states. These are oxidation states. Chemical reactivity. What is the need of discussing chemical reactivity? Means 50A group elements contains 3 unpaired electrons. These are non-metals. Here you have to know one more information. It is these two are non-metals and these two are metalloids. It is a metal. It is a metal. Okay. It is a non-metal, non-metal, metalloid, metalloid. It is a metal. So metallic character what happened? Increases from top to bottom. Non-metallic character decreases. Okay. See here you have to know this information. Hydrates, oxides, halides. Next we are going to discuss about halides. Halides. Okay. See here, all 50A group elements react with halogen, can give rise to MX3 and MX5 type of halides. Here M equal to nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. X is equal to F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Okay. Then here MX3 trihalides, MX5 pentahalides. Okay. See here, trihalides are less acidic than pentahalides. Okay. Trihalides are less acidic than pentahalides. Next, nitrogen does not form pentahalides. Okay. Due to absence of d orbitals. Due to absence of d orbitals. Okay. Here, except nitrogen, all trihalides are stable. Okay. So, except nitrogen, all trihalides are stable. All trihalides are stable, but NF3 trihalides of nitrogen NF3 is stable. This is about so here trihalides, pentahalides. Trihalides are less acidic than pentahalides. So nitrogen does not form pentahalides due to absence of d orbital. Except nitrogen, all trihalides are trihalides of other elements are stable. So NF3 is stable. Okay. So this is the way about halides. It is briefly about hydrates. That is briefly about oxides. All these points are important for both IP and competitive exams. Okay. So this is briefly introduction about P block elements, which is a nitrogen family. Nitrogen family is nothing but a 5th group elements or 15th group elements. IUPACing group name is 15th. These are called pnicogens. Pnicogens means suffocation elements. If you inhale these gases, you will get a suffocation. That's why these are called suffocation elements. Okay. So this is briefly about, not briefly, introduction about 5th A group. It's a time to live.